Students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to you all on the IMS Gate Academy platform. Just do reply. Audio and video is clear, bachcho. In today's class, we are going to discuss the Z transform gate problem. Z transform we have already started in the previous lections, guys. Just confirm audio and video so that we can continue the problems or gate questions based on the Z transform. Yes. I am waiting, guys. I am waiting for your reply. Okay, Vedehi, Shabash. Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Let's start the class. I am waiting now. Already replied, beta. Everything is clear, Vedehi. Just confirm, beta. Audio and video, just confirm. So I think this was the last question of last class, EE 2004 question. We have already completed in the last class, and we got the answer option number B, option number C, not B, option number C, Chennai. Alpha, mode of alpha is less than 2 and any value of beta, yes. Actually, sir, I was having my lunch. Okay, no problem. You can continue your lunch and you can watch the live class also, no problem. So, student, tell me next. This question already completed, sir, already completed. Now, today's class, we are supposed to start with this gate question. So, this gate question, instrumentation 2011, just read the question, guys. Consider the difference equation. As I told you in the last classes, whenever any differential equation is given to you, then the first step is always we need to take Laplace transform both sides to find the transfer function. But whenever any difference equation is given, we have to find the Z transform both sides to find the transfer function. Video and audio clear, sir. Very good afternoon, Naveen Kumar, beta. Shabash. So, student, here because we have a difference equation, so you need to take a Z transform both sides, and x of n value is also here only. X of n value is also here only. So, student, first of all, if I will take the Z transform both sides here, I should write y and Z transform is yz and minus 1 by 3 as it is, and Z inverse y of z. Because we know that in the time shifting, same sign will reflect. So, because of n minus 1, Z inverse yz. And is equal to x and z transform is also x of z. So, if I will take common in yz, guys, what is left inside the bracket? Inside the bracket 1 minus ka 1 by 3 z inverse, and it is actually equal to x of z. So, now what is your yz, guys? This is yz upon x of z is actually equal to 1 upon 1 minus ka 1 by 3 z inverse. See. So, now this is your transfer function, but examiner is asking for the, examiner asking for the output y of n, solution for y of n. Y of n asking, it means first of all you have to calculate yz, and after that you need to take inverse z transform so that you will get yn value. I have done with my lunch, sir. Very good, beta, very good, Vedai. Yes. After lunch, sometime it is tough to concentrate, but you should have your water bottle with you so that you can make yourself energetic. Yes. Generally, after lunch, to concentrate on the study, it is tough, but you have to maintain, yes, the energy level. Yz upon x of z. So, what is x of n? What is x of n? X of n is nothing but half ki power n into u of n. So, tell me, guys, what is the x of z? I need to cross multiply this. And we know that a n u n z transform is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus ka a z inverse. It means 1 upon 1 minus ka half z inverse. So don't you think this value I can cross multiply? Yes, sir. So if I will cross multiply this value, then it will be what, guys? It will be yz equal to 1 upon 1 minus ka 1 by 2 z inverse, and here also we have 1 upon 1 minus ka 1 by 3 z inverse. Now I just cross multiply this value, guys. Now I am just looking for the partial fraction. So if I will do partial fraction, you should just wait 1 minus ka 1 by 2 z inverse, and here also we'll have 1 minus ka 1 by 3 z inverse. We are looking for the AB value constant. So if I will equate this term equal to 0, true sir. सर आपकी सिग्नल्स के क्लास में कंसंट्रेशन की प्रॉब्लम कभी नहीं होती सर आपकी टीचर. चलिए, वेरी गुड बेटा वैदेही, शाबाश. टेल मी 1 minus half z inverse equal to 0. It means z inverse value will be 2 only. Now I have to hide this part. If I will put z inverse value 2 here, 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. Actually it is 1 upon 1 by 3. 1 upon 1 by 3 it means it is 3 only. 1 upon 1 by 3 it means 3 only. Similarly, guys, 1 minus 1 by 3 z inverse, when you equate this part equal to 0, you will get z inverse equal to 3. And when z inverse equal to 3, then this part you will hide. When you will put z inverse value here, it will be 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2, it means minus half. 1 upon minus half will give you minus 2. All of you guys just do reply. Are you guys getting the same or not? Just confirm the values of AB, guys. Are you guys getting the same? If you already got the value, now you are only left with the inverse Laplace, inverse Z transform. After this, you are only left with inverse Z transform. First of all, you need to confirm you are getting the same or not. First of all, you need to confirm you are getting the same or not. Tell me, guys, tell me, all of you. Yes, sir, getting same, shabash. So now I am looking for the inverse Z transform. I am having space here. I will write here inverse Z transform, guys, inverse Z transform. So if I will take the inverse Z transform, the yn value what I will get, 3 is as it is, and 1 by 2 ki power n, half ki power n un. And again I am having minus 2 as it is, and 1 by 3 ki power n un. Now tell me, guys, exactly which option is matching with this. Tell me exactly which option. 3 dot half ki power n and minus 2 half 1 by 3 ki power n. Exactly B for Bombay is correct, guys. Exactly B option is matching with the answer. I hope this part is crystal clear to you, guys. I hope this part is crystal clear to you. All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Everyone, guys, just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes or wait? Next, option number B correct. Shabash. This question already completed in the last class. Now IN11 also we have completed. Now this is the good question. And I want, guys, this question you should try at least. I am giving you a 1.5 minute time to you. I am just giving you a timer. Just try to attempt this question in this given time. Okay, and timer started now. Just take it as a challenge and try to solve this question within limited time. Within this timer, guys, you have to solve this question. I am waiting, yes. Student, now time over. Try to solve this question. I am again giving you more 20 seconds. More 20 seconds I am giving, guys. Try to attempt this question fast. Asking for n equal to 4. I am telling you it is a easy question. Only 40 seconds are sufficient to solve this question. If you actually attempt, you will for sure get the answer. I need your true attempt, guys. You have to just attempt it sincerely. Come on. Attempt it sincerely. So tell me, the sequence x of n having the z transform x of z like this. This is x of z. If this is my x of z given and applied as an input to a linear time invariant system with the impulse response Hn, with the impulse response Hn is what, guys? Hn is 2 del n minus 3. It means if I will take its z transform, then what is output? So x of n, h of n, in the time domain we know that if x of n is given to you and if h of n is given to you and if y of n is given to you, then yn is nothing but actually x of n convolution with h of n. So convolution of x of n, h of n will become actually y of n. And if I will take its z transform, guys, x and z transform is x of z, h and z transform is h of z, then y and z transform will be y of z will be x of z dot h of z. Now you should tell me, guys, if I will just multiply h of z, what is h of z? H of n is value given to you, h of n value given twice into del of n minus 3. And if I will take its z transform, I will get for sure hz, and it is nothing but 2 into z ki power minus 3. And it is nothing but 2 into z ki power minus 3. And if I will multiply here hz as a 2 into z ki power minus 3, what is x of z? X of z completely given to me, guys. X of z is completely given to us. So what you will do, even you can perform convolution also, you can solve by using z transform also. Right now I am doing this question by using the property z transform. So x of z exact value I am just putting here from this box. So I should write here z4 plus z square minus 2z plus 2 minus 3z ki power minus 4 whole bracket close, and here we should multiply twice into z ki power minus 3. Twice into z ki power minus 3. Twice into z ki power minus 3. So now student, if I will multiply inside the bracket, what I will get? I will get yz equal to what? Twice into z ki power 4, z ki power minus 3. So what you will get? You will get 2 into z ki power 1 plus 2 z ki power 4, z ki power minus 3, z ki power 1. Now 2 into z ki power minus 3 and z square. So ultimately you will left with z inverse. So you should write 2z inverse. Now next is 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 and z ki power minus 2. So minus 2 to the 4 z ki power minus 2. I am just opening this bracket, guys. When you will open the bracket, 2 to the 4 z ki power minus 2. The next is 2 to the 4 having the plus sign. So we should write 2 to the 4 z ki power minus 3. And the last is 3 to the 6. Again we should write minus 6 z ki power minus 7. So this is nothing but my yz, and now I can easily write yn value for sure. Now tell me, guys, what is yn value? The yn value is nothing but here we have starting from which value, guys? Origin value is nothing but constant is not there, so 0 only. So 0 location, magnitude is 0. This is z inverse. Z inverse means n equal to 1. So here is 2, here is minus 4, here is 4. Then next location is, this is 1 location, sir. This is 1 location. This is your 2 location. This is your 3 location. 4, 5, 6 location 0, guys. 4, 5, 6 location 0 only. 4, 5, 6 location is 0 only. And the 7th location is what? The 7th location is minus 6 actually. The 7th location is minus 6. Because here minus 7, no? Because here 7. So that is why 7. Now tell me, this is z ki power plus 1. So this is nothing but the minus 1 location, and answer is 2. So this is your final answer y of n. Bolo, whether he, Naveen, you are getting the same or not. I hope you are getting the same. Shabash beta. Vikas, Vedai, Naveen already replied. Because examiner is asking for n equal to 4, so your answer will be 0 only. So your answer will be 0 only. Numerically entry question, you have to type 0. You have to type what, guys? 0, yes. So this is a conventional approach. What is a smart approach for this? If I will apply convolution. If I will apply convolution, again we have a smart approach. How the smart approach? The method number 2, can you write x of n sequence from here? Can you write x of n sequence from here? Yes sir, z ki power plus 4 means 1, z ki power plus 2, 4, this is minus 3 location, minus 4 location, minus 3, minus 2 location is again 1, this is z square. Yes or no? So minus 4 location, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 location is nothing but minus 2, okay. Z ki power 1 na, that is why. And 0 location is 0, then 1 location is, no, 0 location is 2 actually. At 0 location we have 2, at 0 location we have 2, but at 1 location we have 0, 2 location 0, 3 location 0 and 4 location minus 3. Whatever I am doing here, it is another approach, guys. Method number 2 we are approaching here, method number 2. Whatever we have discussed, this is conventional approach, method number 1. If you will write x of n sequence and where is the arrow? So arrow is at origin, sir. So here is I am making a arrow and arrow define the origin location. Origin location. Is this clear or not? And do you know my yn is nothing but, sir, x of n convolution with h of n, and h of n, by the way, twice into del of n minus 3. And convolution property says that whatever is inside in the bracket, it will replace with n. So finally you will have twice into x of n minus 3. That is the only answer you have. That is the only answer. Twice into x1 minus 3. And do you know if xn is this? I have a space here. I hope it is visible. Upper side is visible. If this is my x of n, guys, if this is my x of n, then can you shift in the right hand side? Right now this is my 0. This is my 0 location, x of n. If I will shift xn minus 3, it means this 0 will be 3 only. Are bolo yes or no? If 0 location will be 3, if this location will be 3 and multiply with 2 magnitude also, it means whatever the magnitude we should multiply with 2 and this location will become 3. So if I will write this, exactly I will get the same only. Exactly I will get this same only. If I will apply this, so this 0 location will become 3 location. It means here is the 3 location, 0 will become 3 because of xn minus 3. Now 0 will replace with 3, and if you will multiply with 2, exactly you will get the same yn. So method number 2 is a convenient approach because it will take less time. How many of you guys did by using this technique? You have did by using this second method or first method? Tell me. Vikas, Naveen, Vedahi, tell me. Which approach you have used, guys? Whether you have used method number 1 or method number 2, tell me. I think many of you already attempted it. Answer 0 correct only. Shall we go for next now? Shall we go for next? Pyare bachcho, do reply fast. Do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes or wait? Second method, sir. Shabash beta. So second method allow you to save the time. Second method allow you to save the time. So this is my gate question, guys, EC3. The next is engineering services question. Very good question. ESE question 2016. ESE question 2016. Very good question. I am not giving to you. We are solving here because it is a, in this question it is tough to initiate. How you are initiating, this is only matter. So student, just read the question. The response of a LTI discrete time system, this is my LTI discrete time system, to a unit step input un is del n. It means if I will apply my input signal as a u of n, if I will apply my input signal as a u of n, then I will get the output signal as a, then I will get my output signal as a del of n. This is given to us. An examiner is asking for the same system, if we will change the input from step to ramp, then what will be the output? Tell me, guys, how to solve such type of question. Just let me know. So again you have a two approach. Either you can go for the Z transform. If you will go for the Z transform, you can find here h of z, and after that ramp Z transform also you can write, and after that you can multiply and you will get the answer. But Z transform method will take more time and more space, so we should go for the convolution. Tell me student, I am just asking a simple question. If step input is applied at the input and output is impulse, then what should be the system? What I need to perform with step signal so that it will become impulse signal? Bolo. What I need to do with step signal so it will become impulse signal? In the continuous time domain, we know very well कि sir, if I will perform differentiation operation on step signal, I will get for sure impulse signal. I will get for sure impulse signal. बोलो हाँ या ना? Differentiation of step signal is nothing but impulse signal. बोलो हाँ या ना? Differentiation of step signal is nothing but impulse signal. Derivative. And derivative will be replaced here as a difference equation, successive difference. It means h of n is actually nothing but u of n minus u of n minus 1. Yeah. If I will perform un and un minus 1, I will for sure get del n only, because you know that this is my u of n carrying one magnitude value 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and here is 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is my u of n. And if I will write u of n minus 3, if I will write u of n minus 3, n minus 1, u of n minus 1, if I will write u of n minus 1, then it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And when you will write this ki u of n minus u of n minus 1, then eventually you will get del of n. Eventually you will get what? Del of n. Because all the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 subtracted, only one will left at origin location, 0 location only you will get 1. That is by del n. So it means, what can I write? I can write the output equation as a what, guys? Output should be what? Here output is nothing but u of n, un minus 1. So can I say that it means my system equation yn is nothing but actually, if I will replace un as a input signal x of n, now system equation should be this. It means whatever x of n input will become, if input is x of n equal to un, in the last if x of n is equal to un, then un minus 1 will be del n. Now you can replace xn as any input signal. So you are getting this equation. Why? Because this relation is given to you कि whenever step signal is given, the output is impulse. So now this is important to write the general system equation. This statement helps us to make this general standard system equation. Now where yn representing output and x of n representing my input signal. And in the next examiner asking कि now input has been changed by n un. I am taking on the next slide, I am not having space here. So I am writing my system equation from this. Yn system equation is nothing but x of n minus x of n minus 1. This is my system equation. And examiner asking find out output. Examiner what asking? Ki find output when input x of n is equal to ramp signal nun. When input x of n is equal to nun. It means what is yn, guys? The yn value is nothing but now. What is x of n? X of n is nun. So I am putting here nu of n plus or minus n minus 1. It means wherever is n, we have to put n minus 1. So n minus 1 into u of n minus 1. So now you should tell me, guys, yn equal to what? Yn is equal to nun minus, when you will open the bracket here, minus n coming from here and u. So minus n into u of n minus 1, and again minus plus. And what you should write? Minus plus or u of n minus 1. Bolo kya bolte? How many of you guys getting this equation? Just let me know. Till here everything is clear or not? Till here I hope everything is clear. Just let me know. Is this clear, प्यारे बच्चों? Bikash, Vedahi, Naveen. Every student must reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes or wait? If till here everything is clear, then tell me the answer now, because only one step left now. Shall I expect the last step from you guys? We are just very near to the final answer. We are just left with one step, and I want that one step you need to do, guys. You all need to do the last step and tell me the answer. Everyone, guys, do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, प्यारे बच्चों? Yes or wait? What is the last step? Clear? Clear, sir, is okay. I know this is clear, but tell me what is the final answer. Anyone? I am telling you only one step left. Only one step left. You can write the expression also, na? What you are getting the final expression, you can write. Or should I show you options, bachcho? Do you need options? I will show you options also. Here's the options. Tell me which option correct. If you don't want to write the expression, you can choose the option A, B, C, D. Tell me which option correct. Come on. Tell me, guys, which option is correct. Just let me know. बोलो. I am waiting. D. Vikas says that D for Delhi. Okay. चलिए. Vedahi, are you getting anything, beta? Vedahi, Naveen. If you are not able to do, then just let me know. I am just solving this question here now. As I told you, only one step left, guys. So y are equal to that is step only. Tell me what is common in this. Sir, we have a common here n. What is left inside the bracket? Sir, left inside the bracket is un minus 1. Yeah. And here is bracket close. And what is the answer now? U of n minus 1. Yeah. This is the expression. And do you know what is un minus 1? It is nothing but del of n. So the complete expression will be look like n into del of n and plus u of n minus 1. Yeah. Only one step. This is the only step. Because it is, you can easily see it is del n only. And do you know, guys, n del n is always 0. N del n will be always 0. N del n will be always 0. N del n will be always 0. This term is always 0. So answer is un minus 1 only. Answer is un minus 1 only. Yeah. Why n del n is always 0? Bolo. Because we know that x of n dot del of n property is nothing but x0 into del n. So that is why n del n is nothing but n0, so answer is always 0. Yeah. We know the properties, we know the impulse signal properties, guys. Impulse signal properties is very important in the continuous time domain. So the final answer is nothing but only un minus 1. Final answer is nothing but only un minus 1. And do you know un minus 1 is exactly mentioned in the option number B. Correct answer is B only. Correct answer is B for Bombay only. Yeah, Bombay. Do reply fast. Everyone guys, just let me know, is this clear? Everyone guys, just do reply fast. Is this crystal clear? And del n will be always 0. Bolo yes or no? Whether he Naveen Kumar, option number B is clear to you. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next, beta? Yes or wait? Now clear, sir. बोलिए नेक्स्ट और वेट clear. Now here is the question, guys. EE 2017 question we have. EE 2017 question. A cascade system having the impulse response H1n and H2n is shown in the figure below, where symbol increases denotes the time origin. The input sequence xn for which the cascade system produces an output sequence yn equal to 1 to 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 is. Student, just let me know H1 and H2n. If you will find the impulse response, then we should know that, sir, whenever two boxes are in cascade, we should perform convolution. So if I want ultimately h of n, my h of n is nothing but h1n convolution with h2n. Is this clear or not, guys? Just do reply fast. So hn is nothing but h1n convolution with h2n. बोली, is this crystal clear, बच्चों? All of you guys just do reply. Convolution we have to perform here, and x of n value we have to decide, and yn value is already given to you. So first of all, you should tell me what is h of n. If I will perform this convolution, you know the linear convolution here, 1 and minus 1, and here is 1 and 1. Where is the arrow? Here is the arrow, sir, and here is also arrow. 1 or 1, 1 or minus 1. So when I will just multiply it, I will get 1, 1, I will get minus 1 and minus 1. And when you will diagonally add, what you will get? Just add it diagonally, guys. So when you will add it diagonally, you will get what? You will get 1, 1 or minus 1 will get 0, and minus 1, bracket close. 1, 1 or minus 1, 0, and minus 1. Now where is the arrow? Here is the arrow, here is the arrow, so you should have, here is the arrow only. This 1, minus 1, 1, 1. All of you guys just do reply fast. 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and minus 1. It means this is which value, guys? This is your h of n. This is your h of n. And h0 value is nothing but this h1, h2, h0, h1, h2. Value is given to you. The input sequence xn for which the cascade system produces an output of yn, and yn is 1 to 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 is. It means now I have a h of n, I have y of n, and I need to decide only and only x of n. I can take inputs help or not. Now after this question, guys, I am expecting from you. After this stage, already 60% solution question completed. Now you have to choose h of n you have. What is the h of n we have calculated? H of n value we have 1, 0, minus 1, and we have arrow also here. And y of n also value you have. Y of n value also we have. What is the y of n value we have? 1 to 1, 1 to 1, and minus 1, minus 2, and minus 1. So it means this yn value also we have, h of n value also we have, h of n value also we have, and x of n value also we have, x of n value also we have. Yes. Bolo. Shall we go for next, guys? N or W? Shall we go for next, guys? N or W? Chali. Let me take which option you can eliminate. Do you know, student, yn length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say that the length of yn is nothing but what? Tell me. Length of yn is nothing. Let me take xn length is L1, hn length is L2. Then L is nothing but actually L1 plus L2 minus 1. Bolo hai na? Then length is nothing but L1 plus L2 minus 1. Bolo beta, yes or no? So if you have the length L1 plus L2 minus 1, it means if the final length is 6 and this length is already 3, then L1 should be 4, because 4 plus 3 7 minus 1 only 6 will satisfy. It means x of n, whatever the x of n, it should have length 4. It means this 3 length I can eliminate for sure. I can eliminate the option number C for sure. Bolo yes or no? It means either option A, B or D correct, but C never be correct, because C length is 3. Now I have options. I can check with option number A and B, and I should not check with the complete solution. I should only check the first 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay. So let me check with option number A. If I will have a small diagram here with option number A, option number A is what? 1, 2, 1, 1. So I am writing here 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. And what is h of n? 1, 0, minus 1, guys. 1, 0, minus 1, guys. Yeah. 1, 0, minus 1. 1, 0, minus 1. Yeah. Now, student, I am just cross multiplying it. 1, 0, minus 1. Again, I am multiplying 2, 0, minus 2. Again, I am multiplying 1, 0, minus 1. And 1, 0, minus 1. And student, if you will see 1, 2, the diagonally 1, 2, and 1 minus 1, 0. 1, 2, 0. But requirement is 1 to 1, 1 to 1. It means option number A is wrong. It means option number A is wrong. Similarly, if I will check with option number B, in the option number B, if I will write 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, and h of n value is 1, 0, minus 1. So when you will multiply, you will get 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, and the first diagonal element is 1 or 0, 1 or 1. But the requirement is 1 or 2. But 1 or 1 is coming, it means option number B is also wrong. No need to make it complete. It means if all in the MCQ question, if 3 options are eliminated, no need to see the fourth one, guys. If 3 options already eliminated, that is A, B and C, D is for sure correct answer only. D for sure correct answer only. I will check also here. I will check also here. Yes. You should tell me D is correct or not. If I will check with the option number D exactly. Right now we are just solving here because we are in the learning stage. Otherwise, in the GATE exam, if you are confident to eliminate 3 options out of 4 in the MCQ, no need to see the fourth one. Fourth one is for sure correct only. Option number D is correct only. Because we are in the learning stage, I am just proving here 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1. So guys, when you will multiply, you will get 1, 0, minus 1, you will get 2, 0, minus 2, you will get again 2, 0, minus 2, you will get 1, 0, minus 1. So now you have to diagonally add. You have to add it diagonally, guys. You have to add it diagonally. Diagonally you need to add. So when you will add diagonally, what you will get yn as a, guys? Yn value. You will get as a 1. 2 plus 0 is again 2. 2 0 minus 1 is nothing but 1, 1 0 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1, 0 minus 2 is nothing but minus 2, and minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 here. So this is your yn guys, this is your y of n. So answer will be what? 1 2 1 and minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Yes. That also you can do. That also you can do. That is the reverse procedure. But here because we have options, we have option elimination approach. That also you can do because yn value is given to you. You can take ABCD as an unknown value, and that you can also do. Because we have options, so that is why we can use the options elimination also. But if options are not there, then definitely we have to assume ABCD value and after that. Yes, beta Vedehi, you are correct only. Now exactly getting the same, it means option number D for Delhi getting the same. Bolo hai na. Option number D for Delhi is the only correct answer. Do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes or wait? Yes or wait, guys? Okay, sir. Chaliye bachcho, this question I am expecting from you guys. This question you need to solve this. This question you need to only solve. I am giving you a timer of 1 minute 30 seconds or even 40 seconds. Chaliye. Take your time and try to complete. I am giving you a hint. Difference equation is given to you. Take the Z transform both sides. This is how you can initiate the question. This is how you guys can initiate it. Yes. All of you guys do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Option number A. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, किसने लिखा है? विकास. Very nice बेटा विकास. Very शाबाश. Very good, very good, very good. चलिए. So student, here if I will take the Z transform both side, Y and Z transform will be YZ is equal to alpha Z inverse YZ and plus beta x of Z. If you will take common Y of Z guys, if you will take Y of Z common, then what is left inside the bracket? 1 minus ka alpha Z inverse and is equal to beta xz. Yes. Now student, here if I will take the LCM, it will be yz upon x of z. Yz upon x of z is nothing but actually beta upon 1 minus alpha z inverse. I am just taking the cross multiplication. Yz upon xz is nothing but h of z. So your h of z value is this. So now can you take inverse Laplace? So when you will take the inverse Laplace, you will get Hn as a beta into alpha की power n into u of n. Hn is a beta dot alpha की power n, beta dot alpha की power n dot un, alpha की power n dot un. And do you know here sigma of, this value is given to you, sigma of n equal to 0 to infinity, sigma of n equal to 0 to infinity, h of n equal to what? Sigma of n equal to 0 to infinity, h of n equal to 2. Yeah. Sigma of n equal to 0 to infinity, h of n equal to 2. It means if I will apply this here, then you will get n equal to 0 to infinity, and it is beta dot alpha की power n, u of n, it means 0 to infinity 1 only, and this value examiner is asking. This value is actually what? Given to you 2. This value is given to you 2 na? Asking the relation between alpha and beta. So after this equation I am solving in the next slide. The same equation I am writing again in the next slide because no space there. N equal to 0 to infinity, beta dot alpha की power n is equal to 2. I think this is the equation, guys. Tell me yes or no. Beta dot alpha की power n, n equal to 0 to infinity and 2. Yes. Now here student, what you need to do? You need to do beta upon 1 minus ka alpha, and actually it is equal to what, guys? 2. It is equal to what, guys? 2. When you will cross multiply na, you will get actually exactly beta equal to 2 minus ka 2 alpha. So what you will get from here? When you will shift this part here, you will get 2 alpha equal to 2 minus beta. So you will get alpha equal to 1 minus ka beta upon 2. So this is the value of alpha you will get, guys. This is the value of alpha you will get for sure. Do reply fast. Alpha equal to 1 minus beta upon 2. Bolo hai na. Alpha equal to 1 minus beta upon 2. Correct answer option number A for Ahmedabad only. Correct answer option number A. So your alpha equal to 1 minus beta upon 2. Alpha equal to 1 minus beta upon 2. Is this clear? Alpha equal to 1 minus beta upon 2, option number A. Vedehi, Vikas and Naveen, I think already got the answer. Shabash. Shall we go for next, bachcho? Yes. Chaliye. This is as compared to last, this is easy question actually. As compared to last, it is actually easy question. So I will give you 1 minute time, guys. Try to attempt this question in 1 minute. Try to attempt this question in 1 minute, yes. As compared to last question, this is a easy question actually. If I will compare this question with the last question, it is actually a easy question, guys. I am expecting correct answer from you, beta. Try to solve this fast. Okay, I am giving you more 20 seconds, guys. More 20 to 30 seconds you can take. But I will feel very happy if you will give me correct answer in the options in the chat box, guys. Because as compared to the last question, the similar type of question we have already did in today's class only. Only the data value has been changed, guys. Only the data value has been changed. That is why I am expecting this question from you. बोलिए. A. चलिए. So guys, let me take the question here, the equation first of all. So you have to take the Z transform both sides. So you will get YZ, Y and Z transform YZ equal to X and Z transform is X of Z and minus ka 1 by 3 and Z inverse dot Y and Z and minus 1 YZ. So when you will take common in YZ guys, what you will get inside the bracket? 1 plus 1 by 3 Z inverse, and it is actually equal to what guys? X of Z. So what will be your YZ upon XZ guys? What will be your YZ upon XZ? It is nothing but 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 3 Z inverse. And now you are looking only for inverse Z transform. So now your Hn value is nothing but, because here plus sign, so that is why minus 1 by 3 n into u of n. Minus 1 by 3 की power n into u of n. Exactly option number A. Exactly option number A for Ahmedabad. Shabash. Vikas, Manoj, Naveen, Vedahi, you should also reply beta. Bolo, shall we go for next now? I think almost every student already got the answer option number A. Do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Yes or wait? Shall we go for next beta? Chali. Very good, yes. This is again a very good question guys, and it is actually based on the properties of convolution with the step signal. Convolution with the step signal property. Yes. How can we write guys? I am just telling you, if yn is equal to, suppose that if yn equal to x of n convolution with u of n. Do you know student, in the continuous time domain also we have discussed some step response property. Whenever a continuous time signal xt is convolved with the pure step signal ut. Hn की वैल्यू आई थी कहाँ पे? Are you asking for the last question बेटा? Are you asking for the last question? चलिए. Consider a discrete time system with the input x of n and output y of n. X of n equal to del of n. X of n equal to del of n. Then express y of n in the terms of step signal. Not asking for step. You have not read the question carefully, beta. Vedahi. It is not asking for the yn for step signal. No. Then yn can be represented or expressed in terms of step. In terms of step, it means un multiply na in terms of. It is not like that ki find output for the step input. It is not asking for that with respect to step input. No. Input is still del of n. Input is still del of n. But output should write in terms of u of n. That is different thing. Answer is A only. I hope now you are getting. Okay, sir. Okay. No problem. Chaliye, now tell me guys, x of n into u of n. So property says that bachcho, property says that in the continuous time domain, if you will convolve xt convolution with ut, it means if you are convolving with a perfect step signal, then the other signal you can directly integrate from 0 to t and you will get the final answer. Similarly, student, in the discrete time domain, if you will convolve any signal with a pure step nature, with a pure un nature, then what you can do? You can directly take the summation. Integration will be replaced with summation. You can change even the limit also from k equal to 0 to n, and you can write here x of k. I can make the variable change. I can make the variable k from lambda also, m also, mu also. If I will write variable m equal to 0 to n, it will be x of m. And if I will write like this, then this yn equation, then this yn equation will exactly match with this. Then this yn equation will exactly match with this, m equal to 0 to n x of n. M equal to 0 to n, m equal to 0 to n x of m, ये m equal to 0 to n x of m, ये. बोलो प्यारे बच्चों, बोलो yes or no, shall we go for next? So now student, tell me the meaning of this is what? The meaning of this is nothing but ki y of n is actually, examiner is asking for x2. So x of n convolution with u of n. If I will take z transform both side, when you will take z transform both side, guys, when you will take z transform both side, what you will get? Tell me. When I will take z transform both side, then y and z transform will be yz, and here x and z transform will be xz, and u and z transform. Do you know what is u and z transform? Sir, u and z transform will be 1 upon 1 minus ka z inverse, and this z transform you can also rewrite as a z upon z minus ka 1. So now tell me, should I write here z upon z minus ka 1, and what is yz? Yz value is this, yz value is this. So I am writing this yz value twice upon z into z minus 1 ka whole square is equal to xz dot z upon z minus 1. Z upon z minus 1. So in this equation you are looking for x of n. So this z minus n get cancelled out with this z minus square. So ultimately x of z value you will get what? X of z, when you will cross multiply this, na, you will actually get 2 upon z square into z minus 1. Yeah. You will get x of z as a 2 upon z square into z minus 1. And I have a space here, guys. If I want to use this space, tell me z square I can shift from denominator to numerator. So this x of z value will be what? This x of z value will be twice into z to the power minus 2 upon z minus 1. And if I will take this z also common from the denominator and shift in the numerator, then it will be actually 2z minus 3 upon 1 minus ka z inverse. Yeah. So it means your x of n value will be what? It means your x of n value will be twice into u of n minus ka 3. Twice into u of n minus ka. This is your x of n value. So now your x of n value will be what? X of n value is nothing but twice into u of n minus ka 3. Twice into u of n minus ka 3. Examiner is asking for x2 value. Answer is 0 for sure. Why? Because twice into un minus 3, if you will make the diagram, I am making a small diagram here. N minus 3 means from the 3 location onwards, you will get this value. From the 3 location onwards, this is the location 3, 4, 5, 6, you will have 1, 1, 1 magnitude dash dash dash, and it will give you not even 1, 2, 2, because multiply with 2, na 2. So it is nothing but twice of un minus 3 diagram. So exactly at 2 location, the output is 0. Exactly at 2 location, x2 is 0 only. x2 is 0 only. Bolo hai na. x2 is 0 only. Tell me, guys, yes or no. Do reply fast. All of you. Everyone just need to tell me, shall we go for next pyare bachcho? Ha ya na. बोलिए, shall we go for next? Yes or wait? चलिए. Okay, guys. So that's all from today's class. If you are looking for the complete structure gate preparation from the IMS Gate Academy, you can visit our website imsindia.com/gate. If you are looking for the complete strategical counseling session, then you can directly call to the student advisory team. The number or WhatsApp number or mobile number is given in the description of the session. You can find the number and you can call. Once you will enroll in the IMS Gate Academy program, you will get 800 plus live lecture access. You will get 350 hours plus recorded lectures access. That is the different lecture, pre-recorded lectures. However, the live classes available in the recording as well. So 800 live classes available in the recording. And apart from that, you will also get in extra 350 pre-recorded lectures. You will also get, my dear student, 130 plus test series. It includes subject test, chapter test, multiple subject test, mock test, and you will get 26 to 30 hard copy of booklet which contain exercise book and theory book. Exercise book covers L1, L2, L3. It means easy, moderate and difficult practice questions. We have total 4,000 plus practice question in every branch. So as far as GATE preparation is concerned, guys, everything we have planned in a structured way. You will get more than your expectation once you will enroll. Apart from that, you will get dedicated doubt solving portal as well as mentorship my plan sessions also. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care guys, love you all. That's all from today's class. We'll meet very soon in the next class. Okay, thank you sir. Our prayer will always be for you sir. Kya baat. Thank you so much beta Naveen for your lovely words. Thank you, thank you. I'm always thankful to all my sincere students. I wish you will get all success in your life guys. Just share your experience as max as possible. बताओ पूरे इंडिया को IMS GATE Academy Ankur sir handling here complete GATE department, academics and training. So just share your information to everywhere so that a sincere student can connect with us and they can also fulfill their dreams. Okay. Bye bye प्यारे बच्चों. That's all from this class. Thank you so much for your love. Bye bye.